If comfort is the one thing you refuse to compromise on when choosing a camper van, then you are exactly where you need to be. Today we are exploring a compact motorhome that quietly redefines what comfort truly means in this category. This is not a gimmick-filled weekend van or a tight travel box. This is the Mega Mobile Mega Lounge 640, a carefully engineered Slovenian creation that proves a small footprint can still deliver a premium living experience. What makes this camper so special is not just one standout feature, but the way everything works together. The extra tall roof, the intelligent electric drop-down bed, the surprisingly spacious bathroom, and the open rear lounge combine to create something that feels far closer to a small apartment than a traditional camper van. This vehicle is designed for people who want to live comfortably inside their van, not simply sleep in it. Pricing starts at roughly $94,000, which initially places it in a competitive segment. However, once you understand what is included, the value becomes much clearer. The Mega Lounge 640 is built on the longest and tallest Stellantis platform available and can be ordered on the Peugeot Boxer Citroën Jumper or Opel Movano. In technical terms, this is an L4H3 configuration, which translates into serious internal volume. At just under 21 feet long and standing nearly 9.5 feet tall, the height alone completely changes the interior experience. Instead of constantly adjusting your posture, you can move naturally and comfortably throughout the van. That extra headroom becomes the foundation for everything clever that follows inside. Power comes from a refined 2.2-liter diesel engine, producing up to 180 horsepower paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic gearbox. A manual option is also available for those who prefer a more traditional driving feel. From behind the wheel, it feels composed, stable, and far more refined than you would expect from a panel van-based camper. But all of this is just the introduction, because the real transformation begins once you step through the habitation door. And when you do, you quickly realize that everything you thought you knew about compact camper comfort is about to change. From the outside, the Mega Lounge 640 already presents a clean, modern appearance that feels more automotive than recreational. Teehee styling avoids the boxy motorhome look and instead blends seamlessly into everyday surroundings. Flush-framed windows come as standard, improving insulation while also eliminating drafts and road noise. The exterior finish begins in classic white, but buyers can choose from a range of metallic paint options to elevate the overall presence. Optional alloy wheels add another layer of refinement without making the van feel oversteered. Subtle graphics keep the design mature and contemporary, reinforcing that this camper is built for serious travel. On the habitation side, the entry system is both elegant and practical. The door integrates into the central locking system, and an electric step deploys automatically to make entry effortless. A fly screen is included as standard, allowing fresh air to circulate freely. Above the door, an exterior light improves visibility at night, while a powered awning extends outward to create an inviting outdoor living area. One particularly smart feature is the external access to kitchen drawers, allowing you to prepare a coffee or grab supplies without entering the van. It is a small detail, but one that highlights how carefully this layout has been considered. At the rear, wide-opening barn doors reveal a well-organized garage area. Power outlets are positioned for accessories, and the gas locker is neatly integrated without wasting interior space. Everything feels intentional and well executed. Up on the roof, a solar panel supports off-grid capability, while an integrated gutter system with LED lighting adds both function and atmosphere. Service points on the opposite side are logically arranged, including power hookup, heating, exhaust toilet, cassette access, and an exterior shower. All of this exterior functionality is impressive, but it is only the prelude. Because once you step inside the Mega Lounge 640, the sense of space and comfort becomes something entirely different. The moment you step inside the Mega Lounge 640, the overwhelming impression is space. The tall roof delivers true standing height, allowing you to move naturally throughout the interior. There is no sense of being confined and no constant reminder that you are inside a van. At the front, both captain seats swivel smoothly to face the living area, creating a relaxed and sociable environment. A slide-out table bridges the cab and kitchen area, perfectly suited for working, dining, or enjoying a quiet coffee. The driving position itself feels modern and comfortable, with digital controls, navigation, media, and advanced driver assistance features. Storage begins immediately above the cab with a large overhead locker ideal for bulky items. A discreet hanging space behind the driver's seat provides room for coats or longer garments. Above the habitation door, a softly illuminated glass cabinet adds both storage and ambient lighting, enhancing the premium feel. Moving further inside, the kitchen spans both sides of the van, maximizing usable width. Cooking facilities include gas burners combined with an electric plate, offering flexibility on or off-grid. The sink is well positioned and surrounded by generous storage, including multiple soft closed drawers that feel solid and refined. A slide-out counter extension adds valuable preparation space when needed. Overhead lockers ensure everything has its place. Across the aisle, a large compressor fridge offers ample capacity for extended trips and works reliably regardless of terrain or power source. Power outlets are thoughtfully distributed throughout the van, including USB 12-volt and mains connections. Control panels are intuitive and provide clear visibility of water power, temperature, and solar input. As impressive as the living and kitchen areas are, they still are not the highlight. Because just beyond them is a bathroom that completely changes expectations in this class. And once you step inside, it becomes clear that this van is operating at a higher level. The bathroom in the Mega Lounge 640 feels like a turning point. Step inside and you immediately notice how much room there is to move. This is not a cramped wet room where everything overlaps. It is a genuinely usable space designed with comfort in mind. The cassette toilet swivels to improve legroom and feels solid and well positioned. Beside it, a cleverly designed basin slides out only when needed, maximizing floor space. A large mirror and integrated storage above and below provide everyday practicality without clutter. The shower setup is where this bathroom truly shines. A pivoting acrylic screen creates a dedicated shower zone with real elbow room. The shower head is separate from the sink, providing better pressure and control. Ventilation is excellent, thanks to the roof vent and generous headroom, making the space comfortable even during longer showers. Moving toward the rear, you enter the heart of the van. The rear lounge occupies the full width and is flooded with natural light from large windows. The U-shaped seating wraps around the space, creating a welcoming environment that feels far removed from a typical camper layout. At the very back, a wide cushion spans the width of the van, functioning as a true daybed. It is long enough to stretch out fully, making it ideal for relaxing, reading, or enjoying the view. While the seat depth may appear modest, it encourages a relaxed feet-up posture that works beautifully in practice. The upholstery options are extensive, reflecting the brand heritage and fabric craftsmanship. Lighting throughout the lounge is layered and adjustable, allowing you to shift from bright and functional to warm and intimate. Yet even this impressive lounge is not the final surprise. Because hidden above it is a feature that transforms the entire experience once night falls. When it is time to sleep, the Mega Lounge 640 reveals its most impressive innovation. Instead of rearranging cushions or converting seating, you simply press a button. A massive electric bed lowers smoothly from the ceiling, transforming the lounge into a bedroom within seconds. The bed measures nearly 6 feet 7 inches long and approximately 6 feet wide, offering a sleeping surface that rivals residential dimensions. The mattress is flat, supportive, and cleverly designed so that joints are barely noticeable. Bedding can remain in place when the bed retracts, eliminating daily setup. The upholstered shelves behind the seating act as perfectly positioned supports for the bed, creating stability and maximizing width. Safety features prevent damage if anything is left in the way, and a manual backup system is included should power ever fail. Optional entertainment features include a ceiling-mounted television that slides into view when needed. The viewing angle works best for relaxed lounging or lying down. In the morning, the slide-out table allows for breakfast in bed, adding another layer of comfort. Storage continues to impress with overhead lockers, deep side compartments, and underseat spaces ideal for bedding and clothing. Below the lounge, the garage and integrated systems house heating, water, and electrical components in a protected and efficient layout. What truly sets the Mega Lounge 640 apart is how cohesive it feels. The height, the lounge, the bathroom, and the bed all work together seamlessly. There is no constant adjustment or compromise. The van adapts to you. So is this compact camper truly God tier for comfort? For many, the answer will be yes. And if this van has already raised your expectations, then the next one may surprise you even more.